how to add assets to Figma. To show you this, I've prepared these two buttons here, and this one I made an asset, which means if I go to the left hand side here and next to layers I click on assets, it will show up here as an asset. So, and what that does is when I click on it and I want to make a change, like change the color for example, it will change in all the other instances where this button is used. So once you make a change on one, it will change for all the other ones automatically. That's why it's so useful. So how do we create one? To show you this, I've prepared this login button here. So I just select it like that. And now I go to create component, or you can also press Ctrl plus Alt plus K on your keyboard. And that created a new group or a new asset on your assets panel. So now you can do the same with this one. If I create another one like that, I can go into here and just make sure you're going into the main one like this. I click on that and I can change the color of it, and as you can see, it changes the other button as well automatically. So that's how you add assets in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.